On behalf of the government, I apologise. The report confirms that there was, quote, inappropriate concentration of resources. The report specifically notes that before 2018, the concentration of resources was not based on an informed assessment of the threats of terrorism associated with other ideologies. While the Commission made no findings that these issues would have stopped the attack, these were failings nonetheless, and for that, on behalf of the government, I apologise.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
We should have been safe here. We've known for a long time that the Muslim community has been unfairly targeted with hate speech and hate crimes. This report shows that we were right. The report shows that institutional prejudice and unconscious bias exists in the government agencies and that needs to change.